हरि ओम। ओम गंगणपते नमः। ओम गं गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम ऐं सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय। ओम नमो भगवते शिवानन्दाय। ओम नमो भगवते चिदानंदाय। श्री सद्गुरु परमात्मने नमः। Today's topic is, why is rebirth necessary for the soul? Rebirth is a necessity, says Gurudev. What for? For the soul's evolution. Perfection cannot be achieved in one birth. Even to develop some cardinal virtues in us, it might take several births. If we wish to attain self-realization, then we have to achieve perfection in all virtues. So we have to achieve perfect self-purification for that. So rebirth is a necessity for Jiva's evolution. We must have witnessed that how a caterpillar moving from one leaf to another, it will reach the edge of the first leaf, then project itself. It will catch hold of the another leaf, and then only will it entirely leave the first leaf. The Jiva too goes about like this. Even before it leaves one body, it has made another gross or subtle body according to its karmas and desires, and it enters the new body with all sanskaras and vasanas in him. Now the question further continues, what is the interval period between death and the next birth? Where does the soul dwell during the period between death and rebirth? Our beloved Holy Master, Worshipful Gurudev Sri Swami Shivananda Maharaj answers that the interval between death and rebirth varies from person to person. It may be 2 years, or it may be 200 years or more, and there is no hard and fast rule for that. If the attachment of us towards this world is very intense, then a Jiva may be born again immediately after death. But those who have done lot of meritorious deeds, virtuous actions, remain in heaven for 200 years or more than that. A wicked man will go to completely another region. We may call it as hell also. Or it may be a place where he may not get what he desires. Suppose a person is a drunkard, he wants liquor, he will not get that in that place. And somebody who has done lot of virtuous deeds in this birth, as a philanthropist, he has dug public wells, built charitable hospitals, etc., then he will go to heaven and enjoy there for long time. So this question is very tricky. It will depend upon what's merits or demerits that a Jiva has done in this life. Hari Om Tat Sat. Jai Gurudev.